Rome is a popular port city for both Eastern and Western Mediterranean cruises. This video describes our tips for embarkation out of Civitavecchia, the cruise port city for Rome. Hi y'all, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Becky.
And together we're a cruising good time.
Our first tip is always to arrive the day before your cruise or sooner.
No matter where you're traveling in the world, you always want to get there a day before you cruise, just to avoid any type of air traffic problems that may pop up and hinder your journey going to the cruise port.
The second one is to choose between one of two places to stay, either Ostia or Rome.
Yeah, so one of the places to stay is Ostia, which is an old Roman port town not too far from the airport. It has the Ostia Antica, which is an old Roman ruins right there. You can tour those, get to pass, wander around old Roman ruins. That's a lot of fun to go see. It also has a Lido and a lot of restaurants along the beach side there. It's a beach community now and a very popular tourist destination with a lot of the Italian tourists that are hanging out there during the summertime. It's just a whole different flavor to have as opposed to going back to Rome. But Rome is obviously the shining star of the whole thing.
Rome is one of my favorite cities in the world, so my tip would be go to Rome. Rome has countless activities that you can do, and we have an entire video on that, which you can see here.
We'll also put the link below because the YouTube TV app doesn't always seem to show the video at the top of the screen. So you can, if you're watching on a TV, the link is down in the comments.
Rome is located an hour and 15 minutes or more from the port, and there are 3 different modes of transportation. The first one is a cruise ship transfer. From your cruise line, you can order a transfer. You're going to meet in some hotel lobby. They'll gather you all up and take you right down to the cruise ship all together. The other one is you could take the train. So you're going to have to get yourself to the train station with all your baggage, take the train. Now, the train station in Civitavecchia is located about a mile from the cruise ship. So you'll want to grab a taxi, and that taxi will take you right over to the cruise ship. And the third means...
Well, I was going to say, our preferred way of getting there is just to hire a private car. They're easy to hire. You can get them through Viator, TripAdvisor. One that we've used several times is called Car Service Roma. I have a link below to their website. We don't get any money for that plug, by the way, but they do have a quality product, and that's why I don't mind putting it in here. But it's so easy. We just tell them to come in, meet us at the hotel like at 11:30 in the morning. We may go see the Vatican in the morning, come back to the hotel, collect the bags. The car's waiting on us right there. And like Becky said, it's about an hour and 15 minutes, hour and a half, depending on how bad the traffic is in Rome. And then you're at the cruise ship pier. And it'll drop you off right there at the side, right outside the embarkation area. The baggage porters come out, get your bags. Make sure you got your tags on your bags, and then you're all set to go get on the ship.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, we have loved doing this because we get to do some sightseeing before we get on the ship. And we have a link to a video where we've gone to the Vatican City and done the Sistine Chapel and St. Peter's, and the link is located here. No matter which mode of transportation that you have taken, once you get there and the porters are taking your bag, this is a terrific place to get on a ship.
It really is. It moves very fast. It's very efficient. We were like, 7, 8 minutes?
Yeah. On our last Mediterranean cruise, it was from the time the porters took our bags outside of the cruise terminal to stepping on the ship was 7 minutes.
It's very fast. Most of that time was going through the TSA type x-ray machines and scanners, getting through the security system. The rest of it went very fast.
And we do love the Mediterranean, all these different sites in Italy, etc. And we have other videos that we hope that you will find useful.
We'll have links below in the description of our other Mediterranean videos and we'll be adding to that list as we create some more in the future.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you liked the video, please give us a like and subscribe, turn on those notifications, and leave some comment. Tell us how you've gotten to the ship and some of your experiences on that too. All that really helps the algorithm find us, and we really appreciate your help with that.
Until next time, have a cruising good time.